As you know, Fortnite recently updated the map and added the Peter Griffin boss, and that boss only drops a shotgun and a medallion, so I can only use shotguns for the game. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now I'm really curious about how I'm gonna go about this because shotgun only is not easy because you can't have the sniper, you can't have the assault rifle, you don't have the SMG. So only shotgun's pretty hard. I think my best bet will be to either get Oscar's mythic drum shotgun or either the hammer pump shotgun of Peter Griffin. I think the Oscar's drum shotgun is obviously better for this challenge, but because Peter Griffin is the main reason we're doing this challenge, we gotta go get Peter Griffin's shotgun. This is perfect. The battle bus is running close to Snooty's steps, which is where Peter Griffin is. So let's just mark it and we're gonna go ahead and do it. Now I've heard some people saying that it would be better to install OG Fortnite back in than play the chapter 5 map, but I don't think that's gonna be that as good as people think it's gonna be because OG Fortnite has its own theme and do anything new, we're just gonna get bored. Now one shotgun just rest of the slots and explains anything. If I was still recording. And now let's get Peter Griffin's shotgun. Now let me just mark Snooty steps because if you don't know, I'm playing on projector and the quality is super bad. Like I cannot see anything. Whoa, bro, this guy. I thought the feel of the grappler was gonna be similar, but nah, bro, I was wrong. Yo, what is happening? Yo, I'm moving so fast. What is this grappler? Oh, you think I can hit this? Oh my god. No. Took so much fall damage. I do not think I'm gonna be able to complete this without turning mouse. Oh. This little thing is stopping me from going inside. What? Wait a minute. Oh my god. I'm dead. No way. Oh my god. I got killed by an AI. I'll pause out. Okay. So now it's fixed and now we are going to be doing some shit. Okay, bro. I do not know what I'm doing. Oh my god. I can't even get I cannot even get the Peter Griffin's mythic hammer. Like, bro, what am I saying? I can't even speak anything right now. I'm so shell shocked. I'm so upset about not getting that shotgun. Isn't this where Oscar is? Maybe I could kill Oscar. Of course, it's gonna be a little bit difficult with no spray weapon and only a shotgun. Is that a shotgun? No, it is not. And everybody's landing here. Nice. Why is it that whenever I do not do these challenges, nobody lands here? Oh my god, no. No, 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 no. No. Okay. Nice. Oh, yeah. So that's that. By far. And my lobbies are actually really sweaty because I play Middle East and not NA, because NA is like so easy, it's just actually kind of boring. What? Yo, I just actually freebilled that everybody's gonna be thinking I'm such a sweat. And they're all gonna target me, so. Do none of these places have a medallion? Excuse me? Lavish Lie has a medallion, but not any other thing. Like, okay, I'm just gonna land at oh no, I'm gonna land here actually. I'm gonna land here. This is one of the best spots to go if you have just no particular destination to be. If you don't know, this is the ship that actually has a vault in it, and the boss is super easy to defeat. So I recommend you go in here. Oh no, it seems another person is coming here. Nah, he's just there. And he's gonna take the zip line and just gonna absolutely body me before me. Can I find no shotgun, please? Oh my god, is that a shotgun? I think it is. I think it is a shotgun. Oh my god. It is a shotgun. That is huge. That is absolutely huge. Let's go. We actually got a shotgun off spawn. I don't think anyone can stop us now. Oh, drop the SMG, bro. What is this SMG doing here? SMG has no business here. Yo, is somebody killing the boss? I don't know. Oh my god, bro. Why do I always do this? Yeah, where's the boss at? Yo. Yo. Oh wait, I can use this. I can use this to defeat the boss only. Because bosses aren't technically real players. And I got the frenzy auto shotgun. Let's go. Okay, so where's the vault? It's like right beneath me, so I'm just gonna go there. Let's go! We got the wall, and hopefully there are gonna be a lot of shotguns there. Let me get in. Can't wait. Yo, and I got a running thunder burst SMG. What? No, this is not what I asked for. Oh my god, this is such a good gun and I can't pick it up. Imagine if I actually did and just, nah bro. I'm not a cheater, I'm not gonna do that. Did I get the gold? I think I did. I'm not sure though. Oh, I forgot I can move while doing this. Can I even jump? I can even jump while doing this. This is awesome. Oh my god, and oh, let me just pick up all these heals. And yeah, let's get out of here. And this is the shotgun only challenge has been looking better than ever. So I do think this is gonna be the game where I just absolutely pop off and destroy anybody. What? Shut up. I had no idea there were cameras there. Oh, wait, a med kit, that is huge. I have 2 shotguns now. Yup. Is that what I do now? Just 2 shotguns? Where is the chest? Okay, I'm not gonna go there because it's not a guaranteed chance of a shotgun spawn. This is a shotgun, but I have the better one, so I'm not gonna take it. So now we gotta pinpoint where are we gonna go next. So currently you're here. And the most obvious is obviously the hotspot. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna take fall damage there for a second. Let's just zoom there with this grapple thingy. Why is this grapple thingy's animation like so? I got a grapple claw. Okay, why is it so slow though? Oh, chickens are back? Yo, I had no idea. What if I do this? Yo, the what? Oh my god. No shotgun delay. Wait a minute. Yo, shotgun delay is almost non-existent. Wait. What does this give me? Wait, yo. What did that give me? Hammer pump shotgun, I'll take it. I'm gonna take the shield potion over the cluster of clingers. And is there any more? These are really good actually. I'm glad Epic decided to not ban these. Whoa, yo, this one was not breaking at all. I gotta take the, oh my god, I cannot pick up things. Well, let's go. So I'm gonna just keep it in my third and first shot. Oh my god. Oh, absolutely dominated in every metric of society. What was that? And there's another one? Are you kidding me? No, and he's a sweat. Oh, this guy's good, bro. Like, super good. Oh my god. This guy was so good, it's actually not even true. And I don't think